So Juicy Beef is open on a holiday, as you can see.
Yeah. So like
Okay.
regular restaurants are going to be open.
And what time them going till, you know?
So like KFC, Burger King and KFC is a regular time. It's 11 or 12 a.m. in the morning. Popeye is maybe 10.
Mm-hmm.
Juicy beef locked by 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
So McDonald's is open.
Okay.
Mega Mart is normally open.
Mega Mart is open.
Normally.
Okay. Whatever.
They go until about 3, 5.
Okay.
And I regular they close at 8.
Come like you come up for holiday, man.
We work every holiday for 11 years.
Oh yeah, yeah, it's for real, for real. I remember.
Oh. I'm trying to flash.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay.
Ultimate and they can sit down and dine, those normally open.
Yeah.
But they open like 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Okay.
Oh, and Shopper's Fair is always open.
Shoppers Fair.
Yes.
They open on a holiday?
Normally. But not for the whole day.
Okay.